National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a tornado warning for south central Franklin County in western Massachusetts, northwestern Hampden County in western Massachusetts, western Hampshire County in western Massachusetts. This includes the cities of Northampton, Amherst, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Chester, or 11 miles west of Northampton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Some locations in the warning include Chesterfield, Goshen, Westhampton, Southampton, Williamsburg, Westhampton, Hatfield, Whately, Hadley, South Hadley, and Grenady. When a tornado warning is issued, based on Doppler radar, it means the tornado may already be on the ground or is expected to develop shortly.
Because it's going to strengthen a little bit.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the street building.
It should be hitting you in the next 10 minutes.
In a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying.
Just be ready to.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday evening for northern Connecticut and Massachusetts, and southern New Hampshire and central Rhode Island.
Radio just rang.
Weather Service in Taunton has issued a tornado warning for west central Worcester County in central Massachusetts, extreme southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, east central Hampden County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near Granby, or 6 miles south of Amherst.